I'm sitting here in Sarasota County Jail for 6 months with Judge Padar, who's hiding a fraud transfer. We called over 50 lawyers in the last 30, 40 days in West Florida. Not one lawyer is willing to come in on our quiet title case with Judge Walker, 2019 04532 NC, Circuit 12, Sarasota, Gilberti versus 72, with no lawyers on the opposing side. There's no one even to fight, and we want to cut a deal with Sarasota and the water connection agreement. All the permits are ready. Now, this has been going on since 2019. So not only is Judge Padar a risk to America, but every single law firm on West Florida except Daniel Hernandez and one honest judge, Judge Gowdy in Tampa, who dismissed this case 2 years ago. And we have a state attorney at Browski and Tom Wyden attacking America. Google Gilberti versus United Nations, Gilberti versus Council of Defense. This is a national defense resource. This is a crack in the earth from a meteor impact. Tilted platform. Anyone can verify it in a day. All the engineers from Stantec hit it, who are from Canada. FP&L hit it. DeSantis hit it. Ashley Moody has been attacking me since 2013 with Pam Bondi. So Florida leaders and law firms are a risk to humanity, a risk to the community, because they don't have the guts. We need to bring back Amendment 14, the original constitutional amendment, that no lawyer is allowed to be a leader, because this is proof. How can you hide spring water, oceans? There's more spring water than the surface ocean to our taps and in the Middle East where all the underground military bases are. How can it go this far if they weren't a risk to the community? They do not have the guts to help, and there's no dog to fight. I don't even have anybody on the other side of the lawsuit. So if anyone wants to be part of anything real big in America, you come into the case and you get something big here. And I know maybe all you care about is money. Oh, there's plenty of money with the connection agreement. Just over the 10-year period, it's a $1 billion connection fee over the 10-year period on the 4-county area alone. So I think you can pick up some fees. But we don't have any guts in America right now. So I wanted to do this video because I just can't believe the evil in Judge Donna Marie Padar's courtroom for the last 4 years to stop this. Tap water treatments based on cancer rates. You can get spring water with much lower water bills, and every Florida Democrat and Republican side it, especially Navy DeSantis and Rick Scott. So I'm going to leave it at that because I can't believe I'm trapped in a cage with a bunch of animals on drug dealers when I have never committed a crime in West Florida. They switched legal descriptions out to steal your land and block water from our children, the real water you're supposed to drink. My kids have been suffering. Me and my other son got set up by Carmine Marcino to maybe get shot up at a school. Gilberti versus Carmine Marcino in Lee County. The sheriffs are all scared to help because they all faked that Parkland shooting timed around us too. How come no one wants to talk about the AR-15 shooting in Broward on my cousin Corey Gilberti with Judge Fine? None of the Parkland kids want to talk about that, do they? Okay, and that was a year and a half before the so-called Parkland shooting timed around our permits. Call it crazy, call it what you want. We can verify this resource in an hour. So I found another one in New York, a buried volcano. Google Gilberti versus United Nations. So the United Nations has now been served. If they wanted to stop war and do world peace, they'd help right now in Sarasota County. While I'm in here with all these animals, thanks to Donna Marie Padar, who they tried to kill me yesterday, left me in a truck, 115 degrees with no air in the garage, shut down for 15 minutes. I thought I was going to die, and then they let you out laughing. That's what they do in Sarasota County, Florida. Thanks. Somebody help us. You get it?